I got asked a crazy question the other day. Someone said, "What would you do if you weren't around for your family?" And I thought, one day I'm not. It's kind of a scary thought. So I wanted to deep dive into the options that I could come up with to secure their financial security as best I could. I'm going to break down whole life insurance, a policy that not only provides lifelong coverage, but also can build some cash value for them over time. Hey guys, my name's Edward White, and I'm here to help answer every and all questions about life insurance. If you find the video helpful or enjoyable at all, please like, share, and subscribe for me. Let's dive in and see if this is the right choice for you. So we got to start out by finding what is whole life insurance. So whole life insurance is a type of permanent coverage that never goes away. So it never expires on you. As long as you pay the premiums and you're alive, unlike term insurance, which usually only lasts for a couple years, this policy is going to cover you for your entire life. And it also builds cash value. So that means you're going to have money there later. So you're not just paying pointless premiums for no reason. Here's how it works. Pay a fixed premium monthly, like a car payment. You can pay that payment quarterly, or you can even pay it once a year if you got some thick pockets. A portion of these premiums are going to go towards the death benefit, which is the amount that's paid out to your family when you do pass. So if it's a day from today, a year from today, or even 50 years from now, the policy will pay out automatically to your beneficiaries. The second portion, or another portion of cash value, goes into an account, which grows over time. That account grows with interest, which then allows you to borrow against it. You can borrow in withdrawals or even use it to pay premiums later in the future. So you get to a certain spot and you're like, man, I can't make the payment, or I don't want to make the payment. Whatever cash value you have built up, the policy can actually make the payments for you. So then you're paying the payment without paying it. It's kind of crazy. That sounds pretty good, right? But just like most things, there's also cons. So I want to make sure you're aware of what's going on with the cons. So we'll start with benefits first. Lifelong coverage. No matter what happens or when we pass, the beneficiaries get paid. The downside is it's a little bit of a higher cost because it does last your whole life and it almost is guaranteed to pay out every time, which term is not. So the price is going to be a lot more expensive when you look at the term versus whole life options. You got slower cash growth. The cash growth over time is not to be compared to any kind of investments like a 401k or an IRA, but it does grow because there's no risk. And it's complicated. It's not just a regular policy where you gotta understand how it works. That means the cash value is going to take time to build up. It's not designated to be your only investment. So when you make this option, your choice, don't think of you're putting all your eggs in one basket. It's complicated. It's complex. It's not just a simple policy. You have to understand how it works and how cash value and loans work. So when you're making this decision, you have to think, is whole life insurance right for me? Whole life insurance is great for people who want guaranteed lifelong coverage, who want long-term savings accounts. Think of this as a glorified savings account. Or you even want part of their estate planned. You can do all of that with this. But if you're looking for an affordable short-term coverage, the coverage a large investment like a home, a boat, or even some cars, then term policies might be better fit. So the whole life insurance worth it? That depends on you and your goals and your budgets. Hey guys, I do want to give a shout out to our sponsors, Ryco Solutions. You can visit them at rycolifesolutions.com and they can help you find out which options are best for you. They have whole life, term, IULs, all kinds of things out there in the insurance world that'll benefit you and your family. If you found this video helpful, like I said, please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell notification for some more tips in insurance in the future. Got any questions? Drop a comment below. Ask us how we can come up with answers for you. And if you need anything, stay tuned. I'm in, I'm out, I'll be around.